Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In a narration found in Jami R. Tirmizi, number 2020, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, repeatedly advised someone not to get angry. It is important for Muslims to control their anger, as many sins and crimes occur when people become angry. Whenever a Muslim gets angry, they should stop talking until they calm down, as words said in his anger can lead to trouble and regrets. This has been advised in a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 245. An angry Muslim should change their body position, so that they do not hurt anyone when they become angry. For example, if they are standing up, they should sit down until they come down. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4782. It is important to walk away from a situation and person who makes a Muslim angry, before they do something which only leads to trouble. Whenever a person becomes angry, they get hot, so a Muslim should wash their face with cold water to calm themselves down, or better than this is to do ablution, which has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4784. It is important for Muslims to control their anger, as acting or speaking when angry leads to trouble for everyone.